car won't start. Online forums blame the fuel pump, but replacing it, $400, relay and filter still fixes nothing. Tired of guessing expensive parts? Today we stop that waste. The key difference: Bi-Directional control. Basic scanners only read car data, while Bidirectional tools send commands to test parts directly. No guesswork. Components tell you if they work. Quick theory breakdown. Basic scanners only receive fault codes from the ECU. Bidirectional tools send commands via the ECU to pumps, motors, valves, and fans. A working response means the part, wiring, and power are fine. No response pinpoints the fault instantly. This saves lots of money. Now let's fix cars. Scenario 1. Cranks but won't start. Online advice always says replace the fuel pump, hidden under the back seat or fuel tank. Before grabbing tools, we test the pump directly with our scanner. Active test. Fuel pump. Activate. Listen, hear that hum? That's the pump priming. On command. Off, on again. It answers every time. So in 10 seconds, we've proven. Pump good, wiring good, relay good, power good. First, the pump itself. A BS pump motor test run. Feel that? The pump spins up on command. Motor's alive, modules driving it, so the expensive hardware is fine. Now let's find the real problem. Now the 4 wheel speed channels, live side by side, rolling the car. Left front reads, right rear reads, left rear, flat 0. Scenario 3, the everyday one, a window that won't move. 3 suspects, the switch you're pressing, the motor in the door, or the wiring in between. Guess wrong, and you're tearing apart a door panel for nothing. Or, we command the motor directly and skip the argument. Active test, body control, window down, and the glass drops, straight from the scanner, bypassing the switch entirely. So the motor and wiring are perfect. The $20 switch is our problem, and the door panel stays on. While we're in here, mirrors fold on command. Every door locks and unlocks on command. Rough idle unresponsive pedal. Forums tell you to replace the throttle body. More often than not, it's only carbon buildup. Here's how to confirm before you spend any money. Intake tube off so you can see the plate. Active test, throttle, and I'm commanding it. 20%, 50. Watch the plate track the command and watch the live data. Commanded angle versus actual angle, side by side. It follows, but look how it hesitates coming back. And look at that carbon ring. The motor's healthy. Last scenario, and it's a summer classic. Temperature climbing in traffic. Is it the fan, the relay, the sensor, or, worst case, the head gasket? Everyone fears the worst. Let's test the cheapest suspect first. Cold engine in 30 seconds. Engine stone cold. The car would never run the fan right now, but I can. Cooling fan. On. Full speed. On command. Off. It stops. Fan motor. Good. Relay and wiring. Good. So this overheat is a sensor or thermostat problem. Bidirectional control comes on the whole UR and JU2000 range with lifetime free updates and 0 subscription fees. Timestamps for every test are in the description, along with the vehicle coverage list. Check your car before you buy. Next time your car acts up, don't guess. Command. iCARZONE. Your car, your zone.